In the intricate tapestry of storytelling, character relationships serve as the threads that weave the narrative together. Interwoven Threads explores the complexities of these dynamics, dissecting the bonds, conflicts, and symbiosis that define the interplay between central figures in a script. From the tension between protagonist and antagonist to the intricate dynamics of sibling rivalry and loyalty, this discussion unravels the nuances that contribute to the depth and resonance of character-driven narratives. We delve into mentor-protege relationships, the complexities of love and romance, found families and friendships, and the power struggles and alliances that shape characters' journeys. Dynamic duos, frenemies, and the guidance of parental figures all play a pivotal role in character development. By understanding these dynamics, scriptwriters can craft stories that resonate with authenticity, emotional depth, and the timeless intricacies of human connection. Interwoven Threads celebrates the rich tapestry of character relationships, recognizing them as the beating heart of compelling narratives.
Interwoven Threads celebrates the rich tapestry of character relationships, recognizing them as the beating heart of compelling narratives. By understanding the dynamics between key characters, scriptwriters can craft stories that resonate with authenticity, emotional depth, and the timeless intricacies of human connection. It's about the conflicts, loyalties, and complexities that make characters come alive. So, next time you're writing a script, remember it's the relationships that truly bring a story to life. #scriptwriting, #character relationships, #storytelling.
Let us like, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, RCJ1561. Thank you.